Arutwo mirioni imwe na ngiri magana meri guothe bururi-ini nimambiriirie gwika kigeranio kiao gia KCPE kiria ni kia mwaka wa mathomo wa 2021 na kuma mwaka wa 2016 thirikari ni ikoretwo ikinyita itemi inene hari kugacirithia ugitiri hindi ya igeranio kuria ministry ya githomo na ya ugitiri wa thiini oro undu umwe na ya ICT ikoretwo ikinyitanira na njira ya hakuhi. Kaunti-ini ya Kakamega nikuo minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha auma niguo gutongoria mihang'o ya igeranio ici guku nake minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i agikinyia kaunti-ini ya Machakos.
It is very shameful for bona fide teachers to be just waiting for the exam to post there to share, and we are watching them. Build helicopters, we have availed enough physical security, and we have converged the said candidates in a few schools, including high schools.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi wabici-ini ya DCC mwena wa Westlands nikuo mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini Karanja Kibicwe gwikinyitie mathaa-ini ma thinacara cia ruci-ini kuria hingurire container ya igeranio ici mari hamwe na murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya thirikari kaunti-ini ya Nairobi William Kang'ethe oro undu umwe na murugamiriri munene wa NEC David Jengele uria ucokire gwikinyia thukuru-ini wa St George's. Kibicwe akiuga ugitiri ni ugacirithia the
entire of the Ministry of Education there, everybody has to marshal all their energy, stop everything else, so that we can keep away these cheats who would want to tamper with the exams of our kids.
There are people who are going to those hospitals to administer the exam there, so the issue has been taken care of.
We are glad that in 2016 the government adopted the strategy of multi-agency approach.
But there's a group of teachers whom we are watching who really want to confuse our children.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga akihingura igeranio ici County Commissioner Jim Joka ni oritie aria mararugamirira igeranio ici gukorwo na uigiririki. Mathukuru magana mana ma 78 nimo marekirwo kigeranio kaunti-ini ino ya Kirinyaga na kuri na arutwo 13,000 na magana meri ma 26 na gutiri arutwo marekira kigeranio thibitari ona kana njera.
Naona ya kwamba as a county we are prepared for the next 3 days to administer the exams properly. Hakuna shida yoyote.
Nake murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya thirikari gicigo-ini kia Rift Valley Malim Mohammed akihingura igeranio ici mwena wa Naikuru ni erithiirie aciari ugitiri wa ciana ciao ni mugacirithie makiria wa arutwo aria mathamitio kuma thukuru-ini iria irang'etheirwo ni ugwati akiuga thirikari ni matangikiire na indo cia kuhuthira oro undu umwe na irio cia kuria na gwa gukoma.
KDF, for example, and the National Police Service, we have agreed that in places where vehicles cannot reach, KDF will be able to lift this exam. And I think it's doing that this morning.
Nake John Elungata uria ni murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya thirikari mwena wa gicua-ini augite maabitha a biraru nio megukorwo makihuthika gutwara igeranio kuria gutangithiika na barabara kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri akiuga guothe kuria igeranio cigitwo ni kugitira kuna.
Baada ya furugu kushuhudiwa, imebidi tuwachukue watoto wetu ambaye ni 40 candidates kutoka Kasiela na Sinoni na tumewapeleka katika shule upili ya Mushongoi.
Counties like Baringo is to ensure that at the school itself there is enhanced security in each of the schools.
Gerifotera Kameme TV mohoro gitau ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.